Alright, put your finger on the y-intercept for this one. Our y-intercept is 2. Now, this one tells us you have a constant, it's called. If you think about it, it's actually a linear function. And basically you have no slope. Rise would be 0 and run would be whatever number, so 0 divided by 1 is 0, so this would go away, and you're just left with the constant. It's a horizontal with a slope of 0. Okay? Look over here. Have no graph. Sometimes graphs are helpful. Function g of x has an a value less than 0, so whatever it is going to flip it across the x-axis. So I'm going to draw that as my green because I know it's going to flip. And then it says it has all roots. Roots are basically anything that touch the x-axis or x-intercepts or solutions. And it says it has a multiplicity of 2. So let's make something up. Something like this. How about x minus 2 squared? This should be a review of your transformations. Add to x, go west or left. So this means you're going where? Right, 2. Now, I'm going to draw these in dotted lines. Because, class, am I going to stay there? No, because it says the a value is less than 0, which means you have a leading coefficient that's negative. And if you have a negative here, this is going to flip your graph. So your graph's going to look like this. Put your finger on the y-intercept. Well, it's a conceptual. There is no number, but you know that it's what? Positive or negative numbers? Negative numbers. Class, which one is greater? 2 or negative numbers? So the left side has the greater y-intercept.